practice our sassy little Mynah bird dance. So go ahead and follow after me. Say sassy little Mynah bird. So show me your Mynah bird. Go ahead and flap your wings. Okay. And then now what you're going to say is with your funny walk. I want you to show me your funny walk. You can have your hands down to the side. Just do a little waddle. Let me see your waddle. Show me your funny walk. All right, good job. And then now you're gonna say, my, you're such a noisy bird. Go ahead and put your hands over your ears and go, such a noisy bird. And then you're gonna show me the Mynah bird talking and you're gonna go, all you do is talk, talk, talk. So let's go ahead and do part one from the beginning. Okay. Sassy little Mynah bird with your funny walk. My, you are a noisy bird. How you like to talk, talk, talk. All right. Good job. So now we're going to go ahead and move to part two. For the next part, we're going to go ahead and go back to sassy little Mynah bird. Won't you fly away? So show me flying away. Okay. Now what you're going to say next is shoo, shoo. Okay, you're going to go ahead and go shoo, shoo. Okay. And then you're going to say coolie, coolie, hey. All right. And then we're going to end with saying shoo. So follow after me. Sassy little Mynah bird, won't you fly away? Shoo, shoo, coolie, coolie, yay. All right, awesome. And now we're going to go ahead and do the whole dance together.
With your funny walk, you are a noisy bird. All you love to talk, talk, talk. Quiet down, you sassy bird. Won't you fly away? Shoo, shoo.